We'll be revising History in Civics Part 1, Question 1, that is 10 marks of Civics in the compulsory section. We have all of this, not much. I'll put the screenshot over here and you can also join my Telegram channel for a PDF version of this. Federal features of the Indian Constitution: dual government, two sets of political entities, division of powers, supremacy of the Constitution. Supreme Court is the final interpreter and guardian of the Constitution. Rajya Sabha consists of not more than 250 members. Members fall into two categories: nominated and elected. 12 members are nominated by the President from among persons having special knowledge or practical experience in matters like science, art, literature, and social service. The principle of nomination enables distinguished persons to have place in the upper chamber. Representatives of the states in the Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of the Legislative Assembly of each state. This is done by single transferable vote. Effective strength of the present Rajya Sabha is 245 members. 12 are elected among them. Quorum to constitute a meeting of the House is 1/10 of the total members. Number 3, including speaker or person presiding over the meeting. Number 4, 55 members in the Lok Sabha, 25 in the Rajya Sabha. 5, presiding officer will adjourn for lack of quorum. Presiding officer. Non-members of the parliament may be made a minister, but they must get themselves elected or nominated to either house within a period of 6 months after their appointment. Speaker is elected by the House from among its members by a simple majority of members present and voting. Term of office of the Lok Sabha is 5 years if it is not dissolved earlier. The President can decide who shall be appointed as Prime Minister when, after a general election, no party or leader enjoy majority support in the Lok Sabha. It is his discretionary power. Under Article 75(3) of the Constitution, the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the House of the People, Lok Sabha. Members of a cabinet swim and sink together. When a decision has been taken by the cabinet, every minister has to stand by it without hesitation. The minister is appointed by the president. The prime minister is the leader of the party which commands a majority in the Lok Sabha. However, president may appoint the prime minister even when there is a tie in the Lok Sabha. The ministers are appointed by the president on the advice of prime minister. To be a qualifications for Supreme Court: number 1, citizen of India, has been at least for 5 years a judge of High Court or 2 or more such courts, must have been for at least 10 years advocate of High Court or 2 or more such courts, or must be, in the opinion of the President, a distinguished jurist. Writ of habeas corpus provides remedy for a person who has been unlawfully held in prison or police custody. Mandamus. Purpose of the writ is to compel an inferior court or individual to perform their duty. Okay. The Parliament can make laws on those matters which are not mentioned in the 3 lists: union, state, and concurrent lists. Residuary powers. The Lok Sabha's term of office is 5 years if not dissolved earlier. The Parliament and state legislature both have the right to make laws on subjects mentioned in the concurrent list. Deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha, who is elected from amongst its members, presides over the meeting of the Rajya Sabha in the absence of the Vice President of India. President of India appoints the Council of Ministers on the advice of the Prime Minister of India. President can be removed by impeachment. If there is a deadlock between two houses while passing an ordinary bill in the Parliament, the President calls for a joint session of both houses. Supreme Court has a power of judicial review as its role as guardian and final interpreter of the Constitution. One judicial review may be defined as the power of the Supreme Court to examine laws passed by the legislature and orders issued by the executive officials to find whether or not they are permitted by the Constitution. Judicial review. Number 2, if the court finds that a law or an order of executive is forbidden by the Constitution, it declares it null and void. 3, Supreme Court has the final say. Number 4, guardian and interpreter of the Constitution. 2 houses of the Union Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community are nominated to the Lok Sabha by the President in case he feels the community has not been represented well. Quorum is the minimum number of members required to be present before a meeting is allowed to begin. 1/10 of the total number of members of the House. 55 members must be present in the Lok Sabha before a meeting is allowed to begin, or 25 members for Rajya Sabha, including the Speaker or the person presiding for the meeting. Money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. It is up to the Lok Sabha to accept or reject all or any recommendations of the Rajya Sabha. The President has the power to promulgate an ordinance. Ordinances are issued when both houses of parliament are not in session. It has the same effect as an act of parliament. When no political party or no leader enjoys majority support in the Lok Sabha, the President may decide who will be appointed as Prime Minister. Qualifications for President: citizen of India, at least 35 years of age, qualified to be a member of Lok Sabha, should not hold any office of profit under the Government of India. Vice President is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. If the vote of no confidence is passed in the Lok Sabha, the whole government and Prime Minister is obliged to resign. President administers the oath of office to the Council of Ministers. Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and cannot be dissolved. Each member is elected for 6 years. 1/3 of the members retire every 2 years. It is never empty. Major role during the period when Lok Sabha is dissolved. Lok Sabha must meet at least 2 times a year. Normally 3 sessions are held in a year. Lok Sabha must meet at least 2 times a year. Normally 3 sessions are held in a year. The President is elected by the Electoral College consisting of elected members of both houses of parliament, elected members of the legislative assemblies of the states. An ordinance is a direction or command of an authoritative nature. It has the same force and effect as an act of parliament. The ordinance is passed when both the houses are not in session. The press and public opinion act as effective checks on Prime Minister's authority. Press and public opinion. According to Article 75, Bracket 3, the ministers are individually responsible to the President. They hold office at the pleasure of the President. They may be dismissed for their undesirable activities by the President on advice of the Prime Minister. As provided in our Constitution, in India, we have a single integrated judicial system. All courts give similar judgments on similar matters. Appellate jurisdiction function of Supreme Court. A court of appeal is one which may change the decision or reduce the sentence passed by a lower court. Supreme Court is the final court of appeal. An appeal lies to the Supreme Court from any judgment or final order of a high court in India. Union government, state government. 7.5 pages to go. Every Indian citizen who has attained 18 years is entitled to vote if he is not otherwise disqualified. This is called universal adult franchise. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected from among its members by simple majority of members present in voting. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected from among its members by simple majority of members present and voting soon after the newly elected House meets for the first time. The Vice President has casting vote in case of an equality of votes, that is, tie or deadlock in Rajya Sabha. President is indirectly elected as he is not given much real power, and it would be an anomaly if the people of India elected him directly and he had no real power. It is difficult to arrange election in which millions of people were to participate. No real power, so many people, difficult to arrange. The framers of the constitution wanted it to be a dignified affair, and illiteracy. President is the executive head. Cabinet ministers, ministers of state, deputy ministers. Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha under Article 75 Bracket 3 of the Constitution. The ministers or the members of the cabinet swim and sink together when a decision has been taken by the cabinet. Every minister has to stand by it without hesitation. Supreme Court and High Court are empowered to issue rights for enforcement of fundamental rights. Term of office is 5 years in the Lok Sabha, 6 years in the Rajya Sabha, which is a permanent body. Money bill. Supreme Court settles disputes arising in the connection with election of President of India. Cabinet ministers along with Prime Minister formulates foreign policy of India. The tenure of a judge of Supreme Court is 65 years. Fundamental rights of individuals are protected by issuing of writs by the Supreme and High Courts, also under appellate jurisdiction. President and the two houses of parliament: Lok Sabha, House of the People; Rajya Sabha, Council of States. Secret ballot helps voters to cast their vote freely without any fear. The president can make laws on a state subject during the proclamation of emergency. Quorum, 1/10 of the total members, including Speaker or Presiding Officer. When no political party or leader enjoys majority in the Lok Sabha, then the President may choose who will be the Prime Minister discretionary power. Ordinance is issued when both the Houses of Parliament are not in session. Parliament can increase or decrease the number of Supreme Court judges. Original jurisdiction of Supreme Court extends to those cases to which Supreme Court has the authority to hear and decide in the first instance. President of India administers oath of office to the Supreme Court judges. There is a deadlock between the two houses while passing an ordinary bill in the Parliament. The President calls for a joint session of both the houses. Mr. Gurudev must be among the persons having special knowledge and practical experience in fields like literature, science, art, and social service. 12 members can be nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha. Strategy. President is elected by an electoral college which consists of elected members of both the houses of parliament, elected members of the legislative assemblies of states. Proposed by 50, seconded by 50. In day-to-day functioning of the government, the cabinet advises the president and not the council. Cabinet meets regularly for policies and programs of the government while council of ministers meet rarely. President. The government, along with the Prime Minister, is obliged to resign when vote of no confidence is passed. Judicial review may be defined as the power of the Supreme Court to examine laws passed by the legislature and orders issued by the executive officials to find whether or not they are permitted by the Constitution. If a court finds that a law or order of an executive is forbidden by the Constitution, it declares it null and void. The Supreme Court has the final say as it is the guardian and final interpreter of the Constitution. Supreme Court is the protector, guardian, and final interpreter of the Constitution only. Supreme Court can settle the disputes between government and any state or between states themselves if the center of the state goes beyond the limits. Functioning of the federal government becomes difficult. In Lok Sabha, 2 Anglo-Indian community people can be nominated. Rajya Sabha, 12 persons having good knowledge and practical experience in science, art, literature, and social service. The present strength of the Lok Sabha is 545 and 25 for Rajya Sabha, as the present strength of Rajya Sabha is 245, 300 less. Ordinances can be issued by the President when both houses are not in session. The Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the House of the People, that is Lok Sabha, under Article 75(3) of the Constitution. Council of Ministers swim and sing together when a decision is made by the Council of Ministers. Each member has to stand by the decision without hesitation. This has come so many times. Council of Ministers collectively responsible. Lok Sabha 75(3) article. Swim sing together. Stand by the decision without hesitation. President of India appoints the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court.
Whenever any type of jurisdiction is asked, you have to write the definition of jurisdiction.
Jurisdiction is the power that a court of law exercises to carry out judgment, interpret laws, and settle disputes. Jurisdiction is the power that a court of law exercises to carry out judgments, interpret laws, and settle disputes. I did it. A Supreme Court has the power to review any judgment. This provision shows that human judgment is fallible. That is, the court is also capable of making mistakes. It may therefore correct something that was misjudged. Members of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people, therefore becomes the mirror and the voice of the nation. Universal adult franchise means all citizens of India who have attained the age of 18 years are entitled to vote, if not disqualified otherwise. 6 years term of the office of the Rajya Sabha. A parliamentary constituency is a well-defined territorial area which is called upon to elect someone to represent it in the Lok Sabha. Present strength of the Lok Sabha is 543 elected and 2 nominated. Chief Justice of India administers oath of office to the President. Lok Sabha is elected by direct elections by the citizens of India voting by universal adult franchise. Last page! salary and allowances of the judges of the Supreme Court can be reduced when there is a financial emergency in the country. Habeas corpus. Hi. Rajya Sabha is elected by the elected members of the Legislative Assembly of each state. President is indirectly elected by an electoral college consisting of elected members of both the houses of parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, elected members of the legislative assemblies of states. We're actually done. I guess that's all I have for today. Don't forget to subscribe and join my Telegram. Love you guys so much. Bye.